morning. Welcome to PT Putri Pandali. How may I help you?
Good morning. I'm important the manager.
May I know your name, please?
My name is Satya.
Thank you, Miss Satya. May I see your appointment letter or ID card?
Yes, here you come.
Thank you. Please have a seat. For a moment, I will check the schedule.
Yes.
Alright, Miss Satya. I have on your schedule. You have appointment with Ahmad. It's 10 p.m.
Yes, that is correct.
The manager is still in a meeting right now. Please wait for about 10 minutes, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Would you like some drinking water or tea?
Mineral water.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Miss Seti, the manager is ready to see you now. Please follow me.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.